Where's the third one?
He over there.
On December 20th, officers in Newburgh Heights, Ohio, attempted to stop a vehicle that had been reported stolen from Parma after it was detected by a license plate reader. Police said the vehicle was being driven by an 11-year-old with 2 passengers, ages 8 and 12 inside. The driver refused to stop, leading officers on a brief pursuit before losing control and crashing into a house. No one was injured, and all 3 children attempted to run from the scene before they were taken into custody. Police said the children later told investigators they learned how to steal vehicles by watching YouTube videos. This is the live police chase footage that was caught by the police dashcam. It's important to note that the stolen vehicle contains 3 children, with an 11-year-old driving and 2 passengers who are 8 and 12 years old.
On the ground! On the f***ing ground! On the f***ing ground right now!
I'm sorry.
I have 2 in the backyard right now.
His name is Clark Kendall Potts. Screaming.
On the stomach now! On your stomach now!
Please.
Do not look at me! Where's the third one?
He over there.
Stand by. Got 2 pruned out. They're complying. I'm getting you an address. Stand by. Do not look at me. Get on the ground. Do not look at me.
My mama.
Do not look at me. Stay on the ground. You're in there? Get over here now. Get over here now. Go. Just get on the ground. Stand by. I got all 3 now. Stand by.
I'm gonna get.
3865 West 21st. Don't be reaching.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Can you come on?
3865 West 21st Street. 3 black juveniles pruned out. They are complying. Everyone, show me your hands. You in the gray, show me your hands. Just lay on the ground. Just lay on the ground.
You got my mom.
3865 West 21st. I have 3.
Please. What's up, bitch, man? What's up? Please. Please don't hurt us. You call my mom?
We'll call parents in a second. You guys are doing good. Thank you for complying. Once I get all the units here, we'll detain everybody and we'll figure everything out.
Going to jail?
We're not going to jail right now. You're going to be detained, okay? Just keep on complying.
We know some more people that be.
3865, it's at the middle of an intersection. There's a Jeep in the driveway with a white Kia. There's a white Jeep that just stopped in front of it.
Please help me.
Brooklyn Heights,
No!
you're right in front of it.
No, please. I'm sorry. Please don't hurt me. I do, mommy.
3 detained.
Please don't hurt me.
Okay, I got it.
Please don't
I don't know.
hurt me.
I have not checked
No.
Hey, stop talking. Don't reach for anything. Put that down.
Please don't
I got
hurt
handcuffs over
me.
Yeah. Say, stop. Stop your crying. You should have thought about that before you got in that car.
I'm sorry, sir, please.
Okay, well, stop crying. You see anybody else crying?
No, I just want my mom to
Stay off your phone for a
I'm not
minute.
gonna do
I don't
it.
care. Stay off your phone.
I should've never did this. Oh my God.
Stay right there. 3 detained. Slow it down. We're in front of 20. We're on West 21st. Go south on 21st from Denison, halfway down. No, you can't call anybody. You can't answer anybody.
I got it all in there.
Okay. Do you have any gun? Does anybody have any guns on them?
I don't tell guns.
Do you have any guns on you? What's your name? Take that off.
I got a shot in my head already. I don't tell guns.
You got a gun with you?
We don't tell guns.
You don't tell guns. You just hold on. Don't reach for anything. Hey. So done. Relax.
This is our first time in the car.
Well, I could tell by the way that you drove. You suck at driving. Stand up. Up against the fence. Check in. Just turn. Is anybody else trying?
Oh, I don't know.
Stay to the fence. Your mom ain't gonna help you now.
Oh, it's real funny, isn't it?
Let's go. None of them are double locked, though, right?
Well, they got tiny wrists anyway. I doubt these are going to stay on them. Ah, shit. My car hit that car. God damn it.
Oh, I don't know. Mommy, but.
Face the fence. Your mommy ain't gonna help you now.
I'm gonna laugh.
Oh, it's real funny, ain't it?
Nah.
Let's go. Real funny, ain't it?
No, ma'am.
Okay, that's what I thought. It's not funny. All right.
Well, they got tiny wrists anyway. I doubt these are going to stay on them.
How old are you? You're 12 years old. Fucking stealing cars? What the hell's wrong with you?
How many? Who wants two?
CPD's en route.
You want me to put one in?
Yeah.
One of your other guys will come up.
Yeah.
You check him.
Hey, buddy, come here. I don't know if you guys patted him on or not. You have anything on you?
No.
You guys have any weapons?
All you got is $1 in this? Is this yours? Is this yours?
No.
Who did I take this from? This one and this one?
Yeah, you
Okay.
didn't get your phone. Sit down.
Whose is this one? Okay. Is that your phone? Is this your dollar? Yeah, I'm gonna put it back in your pocket, alright?
Well, man, how old are you?
11.
Hey, I wasn't too far off when I said 10, huh?
No, not at all. Okay. Alright. Let's do this.
Can I get it back over my brother?
Nope.
Authorities said the children will face charges through juvenile court in connection with the stolen vehicle and the pursuit. Because of their ages, they were released to their parents while the juvenile court process moves forward. Police did not announce any bond or bail information, and no sentencing has been issued at this time. Want to watch more videos like this one? Click the one on the screen now.